When I'm asked how often people need to be adjusted, it really varies greatly. If I'm adjusting the mid-back because you're slouching all the time, and I adjust you and now you're great and you feel really good, how long does that take until you go back to slouching? So oftentimes, if someone is in current pain and they come into the office, they're in pain, I want to see them pretty close together so that we can correct things and they can feel better really quickly. But if you have no pain and you're an athlete and we're trying to keep you in the game and be really strong, then I want to check you every few weeks just to make sure all the nerve supply is getting to your muscles, you don't have any weakness, and it's not affecting your game. Because if you are a golfer and you have back muscles that are that are really tight, pulling on your bones and causing rotations or compressions or imbalances in that area, then wouldn't it be better to make sure those are corrected and identified and correct them so that you are on the top of your game and there's nothing getting in the way? Don't be fearful of coming to a chiropractor because you think you're going to be addicted to getting adjusted, or you think that they're going to ask you to come back a million times. They're going to ask you to come back based on your specific situation. And for me, if you're in pain, I want to see you more frequently to get you out of pain. That's your goal too. And if you're not in pain, I want to check you periodically to keep you healthy, because you've got to remember that the nerve supply that goes through your spine also goes to your organs and your glands. So if you want to have a healthy thyroid, you need your spine to be working well. And the nerve supply that comes out of your spine that goes to your thyroid, you want that to be a really easy and fluid channel. You also want, if your belly hurts, you want to make sure the nerve supply is getting to your belly. So chiropractic is more than just putting bones in place. It is really a biochemical, mechanical, neurological system that we're correcting in a really gentle way, so you don't need to be fearful, and you would definitely benefit to being checked and corrected.